Hello students. So in this video I am going to discuss a numerical based on photo detector. So let's start this video. So I have written a numerical. So the question is a light detector circuit using an ideal photodiode. So this is the diagram given. So this is the photodiode. The sensitivity of photodiode is, this is the sensitivity. So sensitivity is given as 0.5 microampere per microwatt. And this voltage, this is the voltage given is 6 volt. So this is 6 volt. The output voltage is minus 1 volt. So V0 is come out to be minus 1 volt. And for 10 microwatt of incident light means optical power. The incident light having a power of, or the optical power of, that is power is given as 10 microwatt. If this voltage is changed to 3 volt, this is initially 6 volt. Now this is changed to 3 volt. Keeping all other parameters the same, the value of V0 in volts. What is the new value of V0? If cut-in voltage or this voltage is changed to 3 volt. Now see how much current. The current which is flowing, that is called the photo current. Now current, this is the ideal op amp. So current entering into op amp will be 0. So all the current will be passed through this path. So V0 will be equal to, that is equal to plus minus. So this is 0 volt. So this will be 0 because of the virtual ground concept. So this is 0 volt. So output voltage is minus IP into R. Now output voltage depend on the value of photo current multiplied by value of resistance. If this value of resistance is same, see the value of, what is the value of photo current? Now we know the sensitivity. The sensitivity is defined as the photo current divided by optical power. So photo current is equal to sensitivity into optical power. Sensitivity of photodiode is not changed. Optical power is not changed. The power of a incident light is remains same. So S is same, IP is same, means photo current is constant, that is independent of this value of cut-in voltage. This is to make the diode reverse bias. The value, the current which is flowing through this is independent of this voltage, means V0 depends on IP into R. If IP is constant, R is constant, then V0 will be equal to constant, means that is independent of this value. So output voltage will come out to be minus 1 volt because the initial voltage was minus 1 volt. Even if we change the voltage to 3 volt, the output voltage will remain same. So initially it was minus 1 volt. So if we change it to 3 volt, V0 will come out to be same, which is equal to minus 1